everyone, welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. We're working on a little fun project I had here with some blocks that were left over from, kind of some fabric that we bought from someone that was trying to get rid of it. And this is what I kind of come up with these blocks. So I added some white. I have the little camera on, the little camera's on, but the light underneath Walt sort of thing, I put the blue light on so it wouldn't be so bright for you. So hopefully you can see all the stitches. Okay, so we're just going to do a lot of free motion flowery fun here. There's a lot of flowers and all these little prints here, so why not just kind of complement it? So I have a medium gray thread going on here. It's off the belts, and I have 13 stitches per inch. And I'm just going to be nice and fun and loose and just have a ball. You know what? Just kind of fill it in. Don't be too dense. You know what I mean. So we'll make a petal, we'll do another petal, do another petal, another petal, and another petal. And then we can just come and echo it. Come in here and do a little curl, and then move on to the next one. Do a little loop. Do a little loop, and let's make another little flower. You can put a little center in it. You can put something on the inside of your flowers. You can do whatever you like. Just echo it out. And if you want to echo it more than just twice, just bounce around again, adding a little bit more space between your first echo and your second echo. Okay, you can always come right down into the bit of the flower again, do a little loop, another little loop, maybe even a leaf, a little stem in the leaf, a loop, and then we build another flower. Okay, just like that. Make them very organic and fun. Don't try and control how many petals you got going on. If you got, 5 big ones, and use 5 big ones. If you got a couple small and a big, like I kind of got going on there, then go for it. Just have fun. That is the whole point. And this is just, and the aim for this was just to be a lap quilt. So I just want to add some fun texture to it. I've got a gray and silver and white fabric underneath, or it's on the backing. It's very soft, not flannel soft, but just, like cottony soft sort of thing. And you just fill it up. Make another leaf. A little vein on that leaf. Don't be afraid to move via your loops, right? If you like a 5-petal flower, then just make them all 5 petals. If you like a 6-petal flower, make them all 6 petals. Okay. The fun and organic stuff is up to you. So just bounce and bounce. know, and you're crossing over, so don't worry about it. Just go and make your flowers and your swirls and your loops and your leaves. And whatever it is you like. It's got some very pretty fabrics I've never seen before. So I thought there wasn't a whole lot, so what a way to showcase them by just putting them in a quilt and either, you know, giving it away, or it's always one as a, you know, if you forgot someone's birthday, it's a good one to grab. You know, make a good little baby quilt too. It really would. That was just my initial thought was some sort of just a lap quilt or like a little, you know, something to cover your knees as you're watching the Father Brown Mysteries or Murdoch. Actually, Pop and I found, actually I was watching, it's called Limitless. It's actually kind of a good little show. We've been only on episode 3, but so far we like it. I noticed via Netflix you get a lot of foreign films and foreign shows, which I love, because you can always put closed captions on and away you go. You know, English, of course. And you can always, you know, read away if you like reading. But the thing is, you kind of really have to pay attention to those things. You can't be quilting in the background, you know. You got to sit there and read. Well, this is my little flowery quilt, and hopefully you like it. I'm just going to plug away and get it all prettied up and just use some white binding to seal it all up. Making some beautiful progress on our yellow and orange scrappy quilt that we've been doing on the live streams on the weekend. So that's been a lot of fun. We've got 4 flowers done and working on the 5th. Flowers are one of my favorite things to do because they are so organic in their nature itself, like Mother Nature, right? You know? So you can do some crazy things and some not so crazy things. And it doesn't matter. That's pretty much what I'm doing. Alright, so enjoy your Wednesday. And stay out of trouble. I did not score on any chocolate after Easter. I am extremely unimpressed. Let's put it that way. And apparently Robin from R.S. Allen Crafts didn't even score on her favorite jelly beans either, so it's kind of a depressing day when it came to candy shopping, let's put it that way. All right, so hope you enjoy that, and that's what we're doing today. Okay, so take care, everybody. Enjoy your Wednesday, and we'll see you on the weekend project, where we're going to do something hopefully you can use every day. So take care, everybody. Big hugs from the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.